Hello, my dear students of class 2. Today we are going to complete our syllabus of first term exams. This is our last lesson, and do you know which lesson we are going to do? A ride on the metro. A ride on the metro, lesson number 7 of our reader book, page number 51. Students, this is a very informative lesson. In this lesson, we'll learn about the metro train. I hope most of you must have enjoyed a metro ride in a metropolitan cities. Let's start. Lesson number 7, page number 51. Lesson number 7, page number 51. A ride on the metro. A ride on the metro. Children, do you know what metro is? Metro is an underground railway system. Metro is an underground railway system. Now let's read the story. Ready to go shopping? Aunt Anjali smiled. Not today, Aunt. Reena said. Today we want to go for a ride on the metro, added Tinu. Reena and Tinu were visiting their uncle, aunt, and cousin Binu in Delhi. They had come from a small town called Gaya. Gaya has cars, buses, rickshaws, and cycles. It does not have the metro. Where is the metro? Reena asked as they set off. Aunt Anjali pointed to the metro station. Underground? Asked a surprised Tinu. Look, Reena said, a stairs that moves. It's an escalator, Binu explained. It's safe, Aunt Anjali said. You hold the handrail and set off in time. Tinu said, this is fun. And so fast, Reena said. Wait here, said Aunt Anjali. I'll get the token. What's our train called? Reena asked, looking around. Metro train don't have names, Binu explained. How will we know which train to get into? Tinu asked. Each train has a different colored line on it, their aunt explained as she returned with the token. We are taking the blue line, come on. The children followed their aunt to a small gate. Touch your token here, said Binu. The gate will open for you, but keep your tokens carefully with you. Reena held her token tightly. What if she lost it and was not allowed to travel? She touched her token at the gate and it opened. Isn't the platform beautiful? Binu said with pride. Yes, agreed Reena. So clean too. Here's our train, said Aunt Anjali. The train rushed in. The minute it stopped, the sliding doors opened and some people stepped out. Come on, Tinu jumped in excitedly. We'll never get seat. Wait, Binu pulled him back. Let the people get off first. Finally, the children got into the train and sat down. There is nothing to see through the windows. Reena said sadly, we'll be traveling underground, imagine. Tinu said, all those cars and trucks driving over our heads. We are off, Binu. Tinu exclaimed. Binu got up to offer his seat to an elderly lady. Look, said Tinu, we are traveling above the ground now. Look at that traffic jam, Rina said, and we are moving above all that noise and confusion. How will we know when we have to get off? Asked Tinu, a little worried. There his aunt pointed to the display window. We have to get off at the next station. There are announcements before each station, Rina said. Come on, children, their aunt called. The train stopped, the door opened, and they were out. Did you have fun? Their aunt asked. Yes, said Rina. Can we go on the metro again? Tinu asked. It's such fun. Children, this story is about two kids who have come from a small town, Gaya, to visit their aunt and uncle in Delhi. These kids are very excited to travel in the metro. This story is about their ride on the metro. They both are brother and sister, Rina and Tinu. Both of them went to metro station with their aunt and cousin Binu. They first used an escalator to enter the railway station. Their aunt then goes to buy tokens. Both the children were so excited that they kept on asking different questions from their aunt. Rina asked, what's our train's name? Then Binu explained him that metro trains does not have name. Again Tinu asked how we will come to know to get into which train. Then their aunt explained that each train has different colored line on it. They were so excited, then their aunt explained them that they should not lose the tokens, otherwise it would not be possible for them to enter into the train. Soon they entered into the platform and were so excited to see that it's so beautiful and neat and clean. The train rushed in and stopped for a minute, and the doors were sliding doors. Tinu jumped inside the train excitedly and said to his cousin that we won't be able to get the seat. Then his cousin told him, wait a minute, and finally they got the seat into the train, and there was nothing to see through the windows as the train was traveling underground. They were imagining how cars and trucks were running over their heads. Binu offered his seat to one of the elderly lady. Then soon they reached their destination and were very excited to get out of the train. Then they were asking their aunt how they would come to know about the stations. She explained them that there would be an announcement when the station will come. And as soon as they reached the station, the train stopped, the doors opened and they jumped out. They had lot of fun. Students, will start with the question answers on page number 53. Page number 53, part A. Look in the notebook. Write it very neatly in your English 2 notebooks. Children, take out your English 2 notebooks and start writing. Lesson number 7, a ride on the metro. Part A, answer these questions. Question 1. Who were Reena and Tinu visiting? Who were Reena and Tinu visiting? Question mark. Reena and Tinu were visiting their uncle, UNCLE uncle, aunt, AUNT aunt, and cousins, COUSIN cousin, COUSIN cousin. Benu's B will be capital, BENU, Benu, in Delhi, 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 full stop. Delhi's D will be capital. Reena and Tinu were visiting their uncle, aunt, and cousin Binu in Delhi. Question 2. Why did not Reena and Tinu want to go shopping? Reena and Tinu wanted to go for a ride on the metro. Metro's M will be capital. Reena and Tinu wanted to go for a ride on the metro, full stop. Question 3. Why could not the children see through the window at first? The children could not see through the window at first as they were traveling underground. As they were traveling underground. TRAVELLING, traveling underground. UNDERGROUND, underground. The children could not see through the window at first as they were traveling underground, full stop. Question 4. Did Reena and Tinu enjoy their first ride on the metro? Yes, Y capital. Yes, Reena and Tinu enjoyed their first ride on the metro. METROM will be capital. Children, write it in very good handwriting. Children, tick the correct word. We will do it in the book itself. Tick the correct words. An escalator is a part A, stairs that moves, or B, sliding door. Stairs that moves, sliding door. Tick the correct option. Stairs that moves. Stair that moves. B part. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. Today we want to go for a ride on the metro. Who said this line? Today we want to go for a ride on the metro. Tinu, T capital, TINU, 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 Tinu. Second, where is the metro? Who said this? Where is the metro? Reena, R capital, RINA, Reena. Number 3, here's our train. Number 3, here's our train. Who said this? Aunt Anjali. A capital AUNT, Aunt, ANJALI, Anjali. Number 4, did you have fun? Who asked? Did you have fun? Aunt Anjali. A capital AUNT, Aunt. Anjali, say capital ANJALI, Anjali. Play with words. Part C, find and write the opposites of these words from the lesson. First one is already done for you. Similar, different. Similar, different. DIFFERENT, different. Carelessly, carefully. Carelessly, carefully. CAREFULLY, carefully. CAREFULLY. Number 3, closed. Opposite is opened. OPENED. OPENED, opened. Number 4, always, never. NEVER, never. NEVER, never. Pushed, pull. PULLED, pulled. PULLED, pulled. Happily, sadly. SADLY, sadly. SADLY, sadly. Check your answers. Different, carefully, opened, never, pulled, sadly. D part, Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. In the bracket, 2 words have been given to us. We have to select the correct. Number 1, my friends are, A-R-E, are coming after 1 hour. H-O-U-R, hour. H-O-U-R. In first it is A-R-E, in second it is H-O-U-R. Again we have two options, for and four. I bought 4, F-O-U-R, F-O-U-R, 4 books for, F-O-R, for. I bought 4 books for my sister. Number 3, we have two options, right and right. Number 3, this is the right way, R-I-G-H-T, right. R-I-G-H-t, right way to write, W-R-I-T-E, write your answer. This is the right way to write, W-R-I-T-E, write your answer. Number 4, the kangaroo has 2 TWO, 2 short legs, 2 short legs, TWO, and 2 TWO, 2 long ones. 2 short legs and 2 long ones. 2 TWO, 2 TWO, 2. Here we have 3 dash and 3 options have been given to us. We have to select the correct one. In first TWO, 2 short legs. In second it is again TWO, 2 short ones. And last it is 2 TWO, 2. With this we have completed our lesson. Students, grammar fun you all of know. It is part of English 1 and we will do it in our English 1 syllabus. Thank you, students.